Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a delightful product that adds a splash of color and flavor to your culinary adventures. The best dried orange slices decor. These dehydrated orange slices from Duwen are not just a treat for the taste buds but also a feast for the eyes. Imagine this. You're hosting a gathering or preparing a festive meal, and you want to elevate your cocktails or desserts. What better way to do it than with these stunning, vibrant orange slices? Each pack contains 10.58 ounces of dried fruit, perfectly sliced and ready to use right out of the bag. You won't have to worry about any added sugars because these slices are 100% sugar-free and made from natural raw mandarin oranges. These orange slices are perfect for a variety of uses. Want to spice up your next cocktail? Simply toss in a slice for that classic garnish look. They are also fantastic for crafting, whether you're making potpourri, decorative garlands, or even homemade gifts. The versatility of these dried orange slices is truly remarkable. You can use them in teas, as a sweet addition to your baking, or simply enjoy them as a healthy snack. Now, let's talk about quality. Duwen takes pride in their drying process. The oranges are machine-dried at low temperatures, which helps retain their vibrant color, natural aroma, and essential nutrients. This method ensures that you get the best of both worlds. A deliciously sweet yet slightly tangy flavor that enhances any dish or drink. And let's not forget about the aesthetic appeal. The bright, warm colors of these dehydrated orange slices can brighten up any dish or drink. They can make even the simplest of cocktails look like a masterpiece. Picture your next holiday punch, adorned with these lovely slices. Your guests will be impressed. Whether you're making a festive holiday drink, adding flair to your cakes, or creating a charming centerpiece for your dinner table, these dried orange slices will not disappoint. They offer a natural and authentic alternative to synthetic decorations or flavors. Plus, since they are hygienically packaged and shelf-stable, you can keep them on hand for whenever creativity strikes. If you're looking to elevate your home decor or culinary presentations, look no further than Duwen's dried orange slices. Before we wrap up, remember that these slices come in a generous 300-gram package, ensuring you have plenty to experiment with. Whether you're a seasoned mixologist or just love trying new recipes at home, these dried orange slices are a must-have. So, if you're ready to add that extra touch of zest and color to your life, check out the best dried orange slices decor from Duwen. You can find them online and start creating something special today. Thank you for joining me today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting product reviews. Until next time, happy cooking and decorating.